Be bold with the Mantra home theater seat from Seatcraft. Luxurious design combined with modern convenience means you can enjoy the theater experience from the comfort of your home. With the motorized Comfort View powered headrest, you'll always be in the perfect position to watch TV. Ideal for those long hours of binging your favorite shows. The motorized Comfort View powered lumbar adds a motor to the backrest that tailors to the natural curvature of your spine, reducing back strain and leaving you feeling refreshed. The striking design on the seat back and edges conjures a classic look. Conveniently located black chrome cup holders keep your favorite beverage within arm's reach, while LED lighting makes it easy to find your drink in the dark. Ambient lighting along the base adds a soft blue accent and makes finding your seat in the dark simple. With sound shaker technology built into each chair and the optional sound shaker amplifier, you can enjoy a fully immersive movie experience right in your home. Conveniently located USB charging ports in each armrest means that your favorite devices stay charged while you recharge. With the included 360-degree swivel tray, you can add the convenience of a workspace into the comfort of your home theater chair. And with the optional phone holder, tablet holder, reading light, or wine glass caddy, the Mantra brings function to form. When it's time to get up, simply hold the home button to bring the Comfort View headrest, Comfort View powered lumbar, and powered recline to their upright positions. The unforgettable Mantra from Seatcraft.